Hi guys, how are you all? So I'm Asad Sheikh from Iqonic Design, and in this video we are going to make a complete creative agency site with the help of dignifying theme KNost and beat the clock against the old school development. Let's ask what a creative agency need. A great design, a digital studio. KNost has it, and it also has a horizontal slide bar, which indeed proves that it's a creative website. Because in the field of creative art, your work and presentation is the only speaker, and we cover it for you. If you are a developer, we have great design for you to work on. If you are a creative agency, we can deliver a satisfactory product to your client. And if you are a freelancer, you can change the way you roll. And we have make our customizing so easy that it's just like a child play. Which all sum up to 3+ home pages with most purpose-driven inner pages, which cover all the ground for creative agencies. And it has the most exclusive service pages where you can portray your services. With the support of live and popular technologies like Bootstrap, Elementor, Slider Revolution, Contact from 7 and much more. So let's get into this video. Let's start customizing. So go to Appearance and then Theme. I will just click here on Add New, and then we can upload theme from here. This will take 2-4 steps, and further you can activate it from here. Now go to plugins. So download and activate all the mandatory plugins that are necessary, and don't forget this tab. This is the most important for moving further. Once it's done, you can see the wonderful and precise work we have done with this site. And if you want the same feel for your website, you can use our demo pages. And to do that, we will just go in one-click demo import and click here. And this will take some time. Meanwhile, you can just subscribe to our channel, like this video. What are you waiting for, huh? Do it now! Now our data has been imported and you can see the stunning and outstanding theme we have. This is our theme. Now without wasting any time, let's customize it. So going in Elementor, we can see that the banner can be changed with the slider revolution for more flexibility for you. So I will do some of the basic customizing, like here. I will change the content, add something different, okay. And now I will change the photo from here. And this is what we have changed till now, and it looks very nice, yeah. And you can also try it yourself. Now in the same way, you can change further pages using Elementor. This is your canvas now and you are an artist. And in this page section, you can customize all the pages in the same way. Now moving to the key features, we can customize stuff like logo, loader, header, footer, typography. So I will just change the logo by going to layout and there changing the main header with the Elementor because the logo is a part of the header. So I will just change the logo from here. And this is what our logo looks like. In the same way, we can change the footer with Elementor. You can play the amazing features of slideshow and changing different backgrounds in footers. So I will just change the footer from here and I will do some customizing. And this is what we get, and it looks stunning. Now from here, by clicking on KNost, we have the option for typography. You can change all the typography as you need, and here I am changing this font, and this is what we get now, and it looks stunning. And you can just try it yourself. It's literally like a remote control for your site, and once it's done, you can do whatever you want, like hosting a web, giving it to a client, or even adding it to your portfolio. So that's where we're gonna go through video. See, I told you in a couple of minutes we have made the most enticing web that will satisfy users. So guys, make sure to grab this theme and get lifetime update with it. And if you have any query regarding this theme, you can just let us know and we will relieve you from it. Till then, hasta la vista.